Lorain County JVS, a school district committed to creating opportunities for students to be successful in their careers. And JVS is reinforcing the importance of exposing students at a very young age at camps and workshops to showcase the benefits of a career tech education.
I would advise other people to come out to the JVS ExCel camp because you can explore what you want to do. There's many options like culinary, precision machinery, marketing, landscaping, and a bunch of other options that might be cool for some people.
It's for kids that want to excel in their future. They want to thrive in their future and really grasp what they want to do in life.
I hope the ExCel camp kids learn that if you come to the school, it's very inspirational. I walked into this lab as a sophomore. I had a dream as a kid to be a mechanic. I've always loved working on cars.
Current students are building a brighter future for themselves now and are having a lasting impact on those who see the value of their trade and the skills they've learned at JVS.
If you have an idea to make something, you can make whatever. If you want to make your own version of a lightsaber, you can do it. It's amazing.
There are many perspectives of the importance of a career tech education, its impact on the lives of future students and those currently working in multiple industries. At JVS, we believe in education that works.